Samsung 37-inch Odyssey G75F review. Best large format curved gaming monitor from Samsung. A 37-inch gaming monitor is much larger than the typical 27-inch display, but Samsung's Odyssey G75F combines that size with 4K resolution and a 165 Hz refresh rate. So, is it worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Odyssey G75F features a 37-inch curved display with a 3840 by 2164K resolution and a 165 Hz maximum refresh rate. It also supports HDR, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, and a strong 1000R curve designed to keep the edges of the large screen closer to your field of view. The biggest advantage is the combination of size and sharpness. You get a much larger gaming area than a traditional 27 or 32-inch monitor, while still maintaining the detailed image you'd expect from 4K. The 165 Hz refresh rate also makes it suitable for fast-paced gaming, while modern connectivity makes it useful with both gaming PCs and consoles. But the large size can also be a disadvantage. You'll need enough desk space, and sitting too close can make a 37-inch screen feel overwhelming. It's also an LCD rather than an OLED, so if deep blacks and extremely fast pixel response are your top priorities, an OLED alternative may be more appealing. Overall, the G75F makes sense for gamers who want a large 4K display, without moving all the way to a TV-sized screen. If you have the desk space and want a more immersive gaming experience, this is definitely an interesting option. If you want to check the latest details or buy this monitor, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know if 37 inches is too big or just right.